Oh my gosh, I have a scratch in my glass. How am I gonna fix it? All right, my friends, I'm going to teach you how to fix scratches in glass. And I'm super excited about this because before I found this system, I'd always tell customers, like, if you have scratches in glass, you're not gonna fix them. I've tried several different things. I've tried the cerium oxide, supposed to polish glass, doesn't really work on anything significant, great for water etching, but not really for scratches. And whew, we got a deep scratch. I mean, you can feel this with your fingernail. So this is the GlasWeld system. Let's open it up and I'm gonna tell you all about it. All right, inside this system, this is a kit with everything that you need to repair any scratches, etching, knife marks, whatever is in glass, side glass, front glass, back glass, mirrors, it doesn't matter. This system will fix it all. So going through, the main part of this system is the G-Force Max gun here. This is a specifically designed gun for removing scratches out of glass. And it's really cool because it actually has connected to it. You can see this hosing here. This is connected to a pump, and this is a pressurized tank here where you put water in there, because part of the system is actually using water. So I'm gonna go through all of this and we're gonna show you exactly how it works. We're not going to be using abrasive to fix that glass. We're using a specific compound made for glass, a really hard disc that is going to polish out this glass, and we're gonna use a combination of heat and pressure to actually remove the scratch entirely. This kit is a must for window tinters that are cutting on the glass. Glass is getting softer and easier to leave blade marks, and this is the solution to a proper fix. Getting ready to repair this scratch here, and I actually use some 1200 grit sandpaper to do sanding marks right next to it so you can kind of see how we go. Clean the glass first. You want it super clean. You don't want anything to interfere with the polishing of this scratch. So just make sure it's super, super clean. Filled my G-Force tank up here. I'm gonna stick in the pump and just close this. You have a trigger right here, which will actually, I'll show you this. So you pump that up and then you push this trigger right here and you have water that comes out of the center. So I've been testing this out and it's fantastic. I can't wait to show you. All right, so the first thing is we got a backing plate on there that I already put on. This is a 1-inch backing plate made for the 1-inch disc. They do have a 3-inch backing plate with 3-inch discs as well. When I open this up here, it is a very hard disc here. So you have a hook and loop on this side, and then this is the actual disc that's gonna repair the damage that we have on our glass. So first thing that we want to do is put that disc on the backing plate and get it centered. It has a hole in the middle. That's where all the water comes out. That's super important to have that water to be able to cool down the area that you're working on. This is going to get hot. The kit actually comes with a temperature thermometer here, so you can actually point this right at the glass and it'll give you your temperature. Right now we're sitting at 81 degrees. So very important while you're doing this, it is going to get warm, it's gonna get hot, but you do not wanna get it too hot. There's a certain temperature range where you want this to be able to repair that scratch and not damage anything else or damage the actual disc on there too. So this is cool. You can actually suction cup this holder to, if you want to have that glass there. I'm actually not gonna do that. I'm gonna put it right on the table, pump that up, and now that's ready. And now we're gonna plug in our machine. And if you've ever polished a car before, this is gonna feel real familiar. It's not that hard. It's the same thing as polishing paint, but we're doing it on glass. But we're using a compound paste here and we're using water, and it does get a little bit messy. So an optional item, this here is a specialty piece that they make that you can buy additionally to the kit. But this is really nice if you're just doing one scratch on a window and you don't want to get the entire vehicle dirty. You know, this will kind of hold in all that sling that we're going to be, of the compound that we're using. So, all right, we have our scratch removal polishing compound. We have our fresh new pad. It's going to take us about 15 minutes to repair a scratch this size. I made it extra deep just for you so you can see how good this actually works on removing the scratches. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply a little bit of this polishing compound directly to our disc. I like to kind of just rub it in. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this trigger, and it has a trigger lock. And we're gonna use a combination of heat and pressure to remove this scratch. Once it starts to dry out or we see it's getting hot, we can actually press this button and that will spray water and it'll lubricate all of the compounds that we're using. We'll probably have to go back and forth, probably I'd say 3 or 4 times to actually remove that scratch. So this is what it looks like. All right, between rounds, that was just my first round. This is a rather deep scratch. It's gonna take a little bit of time.
Glass temperature is super important for a safe repair. Most windshields are going to be laminated glass, and you'll wanna stay in the temperature range of 115 to 155 degrees. Same with mirrors. Tempered glass, like the side window that I'm working on now, you'll wanna stay in a range of 155 to 175 degrees.
Really deep.
Yeah.
We're going to this scratch is gone or it's damaged, so.
You're gonna use the pressure that you're pushing against the glass to raise or lower the temperature. The more pressure you put, the temperature is gonna build up a lot faster. And then use the water to help cool the glass to control the temperature.
I can see it already starting to fade though. They have training instruction videos for all this stuff, and like with deeper scratches, they say, you know, like you'll still see the scratch, like with especially deeper scratches, then all of a sudden it just kind of disappears. So it almost feels like you're doing nothing for a little bit, but then all of a sudden it just kind of goes away. So it takes some time, especially on deeper scratches.
I was getting worried on those.
Oh, we still may have to be worried, but we're testing it to the limit for sure.
So GlasWeld does have a couple kits to repair scratches in glass, anywhere from $1,300 to $2,000. This is the professional kit. It's $1,500, and you could easily save someone thousands in glass replacement with this repair system. I would say you could probably charge anywhere from $150 to $200 a scratch. And if you're doing a full window or maybe a full windshield with wiper marks that you need to repair, it could easily range from anywhere from $250 to $800 to do any of those types of repairs.
Still there, huh? You have faith?
I don't know if it looks the same to me.
Still think it looks the same? All right, we definitely made a challenge for ourselves.
So I did lie about how long this was gonna take. I thought it was gonna be a lot quicker. This scratch ended up taking about an hour to fully remove, and I polished it probably no less than 25 times. But considering how deep the scratch was and the results of the final product, it just goes to show you how awesome this system is.
So I've kind of scratched this glass to an extreme. You can kind of see that we really put a deep scratch in there, and that's good because I really want to show you what this system is actually capable of. So this might take a little bit longer, but before this, there was no way to remove this type of scratch. A deep scratch like that, it was literally like the only option that you had to live with it or to replace it. You can see in the middle there where the scratch is almost gone, right at the ends. Need to work on the ends just a little bit more. Pretty dramatic improvement already. Just that bottom part, you can see where the deepest part is on that bottom. But up here in the middle, it's starting to look good, and a little more up top, but a few more times and this scratch is gonna be gone.
So you can see we did make a big mess repairing this glass. There was a lot of sling all over the place with that polish, but it does wash off with no problem at all. And in the future, I would probably do this in the wash bay so I could wash while I'm doing the repair if needed.
Ooh-wee. Let's see, we just got the bottom deeper parts in there, a couple deeper parts, but we're getting close, getting real close. All right, there you go. That was an extreme scratch, and you can see what this machine is capable of. I mean, it removed that scratch completely, and what's even great about it, there's no distortion, there's no pigtails, there's no like any sanding marks, there's no sanding at all. You can take a look at this. I mean, it is perfectly smooth and back to what the glass originally looked like before we scratched it with a diamond tip drill bit. A little bit of a mess to clean up. I'm gonna take the van and just wash it and remove all this stuff. This is not gonna stain anything on the car, but this kit is available at carsupplieswarehouse.com. If you're a window tinter, if you're a detailer, having this in your arsenal, being able to offer this. I know we've all seen cars that come in with scratches on the glass or windshield wiper marks or anything. Now there's a solution that you can make money on and fix it and give your customer the value of clean glass that they can see through with no scratches at all. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, I'd be glad to answer them. Just leave them down below in the comment section. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. I was scared for a minute there. I didn't know if that was gonna come out, but it came out perfect. I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so glad it worked.